Yes, Jyoti is absolutely safe now. The visual that you are seeing now is not uncommon today because most of the women face this kind of hardships in their everyday life. Women are often put to this kind of tortures and they do not know whom to call during times of emergency. And gone are the days when people used to accompany a woman when she goes out. But technology is the driving factor today. And moreover, with the advent of mobile and wireless technology, everything has become possible now. We in the Department of Computer Science has developed an application which is completely mobile based and it's an Android based application that is going to help women in times of emergency. That is Mitra. You would have seen how that girl was rescued by the police within minutes. That is because of Mitra. Mitra means a friend. So it's an acronym which stands for Mobile Initiated Tracking and Rescue App.
Hello everyone. Mitra is an Android-based mobile application designed for the safety of women. In this video, we are going to see how to use Mitra. This video demonstrates how to get started with Mitra. Go to the home of your mobile. Go to the browser of your mobile phone. In the address bar, type www.pondiuni.edu.in. You can get the app from the home page of Pondicherry University website. After successful download of the app, locate the app in your phone. In the Downloads folder, find mitra.apk and click on it for installation. Click on Next and Install. The app will get installed on your phone. Click on Open. Before you can start using the app, you have to go through one-time configuration of the app. Insert your details like your name, your mobile number, your Aadhaar card number, a password, the use of which will be explained later in this video, and the phone numbers of the friends or relatives to whom you want the message to be sent in case of an emergency. Click on Register and you are now safe with Mitra. In case of an emergency, when you find it difficult to seek help from someone else, Mitra will always be there to help you. In order to get help from Mitra, all you have to do is long press the audio button of your phone. And the app automatically gets launched. The app composes a message stating you are in danger. It captures your current location and the details of the nearest police station and sends it to the 3 contact details which you filled in during registration. Your friends or relatives receiving the message can then call the police and ask for help. In case you launch the application by mistake, you can always have a decline option. From the menu, you can go to the decline option. You fill in the password which you had entered during registration and send SMS. In that case, it will send another SMS stating that your message was sent by mistake, but now that you are safe. It might also happen in a worse scenario. Your attackers actually find out you are asking for help and they force you to stop sending the message. In that case, you click on the decline option and enter a wrong password and send SMS. This sends another message to your friends stating that you are still in danger and that your attackers have found out that you are being forced and you are still in danger and help is still needed. You can always update the phone numbers of the 3 friends whom you had chosen for sending the message. Click on update and the phone numbers will be updated. Another feature of this app also includes informations about various police stations, helplines, institutions and working hostels. In police stations, you can find the contact details of all the police stations of Pondicherry state. In helplines, you can find Women's Helpline, Children Helpline, Police, Ambulance. In institutions, you can find hospitals, Women's Commission and Family Counseling for Women. In working hostels, you can get the details of various women's cum students hostels. This is how Mitra will always be there with you.
It's really an application which is going to help you in times of distress. It's an app in need, it's an app indeed, and it is going to be always with you. So use it. Thank you.